Hello everybody, I'd like to give another tutorials how to use the loop workflows. I give some example. Here we have some workflow, the request after service. So last time we designed some conditional branch workflow. So this time we designed if in case of the improvement or any other request, then we design some processes. So manager suggests some idea for the improvement requestment, and then user checking his idea. So if and then we this loop activities checking the evaluation result. If evaluation result is okay, then it's go to next activities. Otherwise, go feedback, loop back to the front of the suggestion activities. So this kinds of activity we are going to design. So let me summarize. So we need three activities: suggestion, idea, activities. We use several variables: trouble class and trouble description, and then manager give us some idea. So this activity handled by manager. And the second activities is evaluate idea activities. So just checking the users, initiate checking the idea of the manager. So he said if he is okay, we need one more variables. Here is approval variables. So if we checking yes, then it go to next to activities. Otherwise, is get back via this loop activity checking this approval or not. So let's design these things. So for usually we design the activities. Then what kinds of new variables we are using? So we add on two more the variables. The idea variable is some text boxes, five row and 80 columns, and approval variables, yes or not, yes or no. So let's do that. I'll show you how to do. Okay, coming to the Yoon website, login test call. So login and process managers, check in, and then tutorial. This week is 21st, so we have a previous workflow. So last time our workflow, this one, so we use this one once more. Click the approve, improvement, and check call of the process designer. Okay, process designer comes. We are ready to design. So last time, in case of improvement, we just assigned some empty activity box here. So now, but this time we make a new processes for this improvement. Like as this. we design these things. To design these things, so we just skip, delete this one, and we assign here. We need some human activities. Come to here. Let's see. Okay. And one more. And then we need control this loop activity here. So loop activity. So we move to these two things here. Yes. Before we design the activity, we need we have to declare the variable first. So what kinds of variable we need? So we need these two variables, as you see, the idea and approvers. So we declare this one. So there is some information. So we have to declare new process variables. Name is idea. Is text. And the input is text areas. So 5 rows, 80 columns, updated. Okay, then we add one ideas, and second one is for the variable for approval, yes or no. So we assign the new variables, approval, types, yes, here is yes or no, updated. Okay, then we can get the two more variables, idea and approval. Then we are finished up the declare the variables, and then we can design the activity processes. So first processes, the name is suggestion ideas. So we write down here, suggest idea. And then this one is human activities by the managers. So he used some information like the new one. The variables is travel class. They read from the system, and also he needed some travel descriptions, suggestion descriptions, the same meanings at this moment, updated. And he had to write down his idea. His idea. This one is not database now, so just this one is out. Yeah, direction is out. Okay, updated. Then this activity also used these three variables. Okay, so 2 is read from the system database. The idea case here, write down the idea here, and then we apply it. It is done by the manager. Okay, apply it. Then yeah, this suggestion idea process is designed already. And second one is, the name is, we call it evaluate the idea. Just write down evaluate idea. it is done by the initiator. So what kind of information initiator use? It's just need some idea. He looking through the idea. Okay, it's coming from the database. Okay, and next one is the approval. He's checking approval is his own work. So we select the direction as out, updated. Okay. Then two variables assigned into the activities process. Then we apply it. Okay. Then second one is finished. The final one is loop. Loop just checking the approval or not. If yes, go through next process. Otherwise, get back into in front of the suggestion ID activities like this. So double click here. So here is name is loop just okay. What is the loop condition? Here is loop condition. Loop condition. The vertical line is or condition. Horizontal line is the end condition. So for a moment, the conditions we used just the approval. So the approval. So yes or not is no. So we use the process variables, checking what kinds of process variable. Here is approval. So we checking approval. No, there is no, it's not useful for us for a moment. So we use the directive variables. So here we use the select the text, select approval. Something is long. We have to use the. Let me check. Activity. Yes or no. Okay. We select is yes or no. That's enough. So approval case. If yes, it's not yes, then feedback. The rollback to the in front of the suggest ideas. Okay, then it's okay. So we assign the approval. It's not true. Then loop back. So we applied it. That's all. Okay, then it seems everything is okay. What's the matter here is some error messages. Let me checking. Switch conditions. We have already assigned the system hardware and otherwise. Okay, so no problem. Okay. What's if no? Okay, this everything is clear now. So maybe this design workflow is running. So we deploy it. Okay, confirm it. It's successfully finished. Okay, then we try to test. Okay, here we have. So we refreshed this workflow. Let's look at. Okay, we can see that the design loop workflow here. So you see it. So in case of the improvement or any request, it comes to here, and then the manager handle these activities. He gives us some suggestion ideas, and then user evaluate this one. Yeah, and then if it's okay, then it comes to the next process. Otherwise, get back to the front of the suggestion activities. So for the moment, the loop counter is 0. So we can check how many reject happens. Okay, it looks okay. Then we test this one as initiate. So in case of the any other case, request improvement case like this, so some improvement request, the conflict, okay. Then we click the information, the workflow. Okay, as you see, this one, so improvement case is coming to here. So you can see that the condition, the comment is the bold characters, and then suggestion, idea, activity is learning now. So this one is the handled by tester. So we have to log out and log in, log out, and managers test. Okay, we have a work list. So we have this one is come here, ticket 99. Okay, so travel class, the variable is the improvement, the description like QQQQ. So here give us his idea, right down here, ideas. And he complete. Okay. Then we checking the flow informations. It's coming to the next steps for the evaluate ideas. It should be done by the test call. So we log out and log in. Test call. Okay. Log in again. So work list. Here comes the evaluate idea ticket, comes here. Okay, so his ideas. So we're checking, is it good or not? So if not sufficient, he is said no, and complete. Okay, then we're checking the workflow. Yeah, you see this workflow coming back to the in front of the suggestion idea activities here. So we have to, yeah, it looks loop conditions designs well. So we log out, going to coming to the as managers. Okay, so he gave more ideas. He gave more ideas. Complete. Okay, and also checking once again the informational flow. Let's go to next steps. So next step should be the handled by the initiator. The initiator name is the tester call. So we log out and log in again, test call. So work list, we have come the evaluation ideas. Okay, now this time, okay, seems good idea. Then he approval yes, is complete. Okay. Then we are checking the workflow. Okay. Now it exists from the loop. He's come to the next steps. Yeah. So this is completely finished. Finish of the how to design the loop workflows. Okay. Everybody try to do this yourself. So practice make a perfect always. Okay. Have a good days. Bye bye.